Hi everyone, good afternoon. This is Bob McIntosh from MarineMax here in Naples, and today we're going to do a brief walkthrough on our 2018 330 Outrage. I love starting on the bow of this boat simply because you have great seating, and secondly, you have even better storage. So we have enough room for things like rod holders. You'll notice our canvas is stored under there in addition to 5-gallon buckets, because frankly 5-gallon buckets are always handy out in the water. It is lockable, and everything has a large gasket to keep things dry in there as well. As we move to the starboard side, we have a full stand-up head and shower with storage for toiletries as well as a freshwater sink. You also have an overboard discharge feature as a means to empty your waste tank. At the helm, we have 3 wide seating with bolsters, a fold-down platform to help some of us who aren't the tallest in the world see over the bow, and enough room for twin 16-inch displays. And then as we move to the aft cockpit, you'll notice we have an aft-facing seat with a fold-down bench seat on the transom, which will give us opposing seating with a cockpit table here. Large live well, again on the transom, with insulated storage underneath this seat. She's powered by twin 350 Verados, and she's quite honestly one of my favorite running boats. I'd love to tell you more. Stop by. Again, my name is Bob McIntosh here at MarineMax in Naples.